Hi guys, I'm here in my onion garden right now. You can see my onion bulb right there, right there, right there. Some of it's covered with soil. It's right there. Okay, now they're all matured and ready for harvest. Okay, you know that it's already matured because you can see the flowers here. Is the onion flowers right there, like this, them right there, like this onion, see? So I will pull some of the onions bulb. Okay, because I will not harvest them all because I want them to be preserved, so with the onion leaves, because I will put it in my viand. Okay, it's easy because the soil is soft, so I will not dig it. I will just pull it. Okay, right there. I'll do it. Oh, see, right here's my onion. Okay, all right. Okay, I will start digging to check my onion bulb. Right there, yahoo. Okay, I'll just pull it to make it faster. Okay. Yeah. Here's my onion. Yahoo! One onion. Okay, it's really big. See? Rather buying in the market, now I can save my dollar because this cost $1 a pound in the market. Okay, here, how about this one? Oh, I will preserve this. I'll just put it with a lot of soil. Okay, okay, I will check another one here. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Oh, wow, big onion, huh? Big onion bulb. Here, I put it. No, there's a flower. Alright, so it means it's ready. Okay, 2 onions. Okay, okay, 2 onions. Okay, 2 onions bulb. 2 onions. It's okay. Here's another one. I decided to harvest this one because it's now the onion bulb can't hold its leaves. I know it's too small, but I think this is already mature because of its flower. Right there. Here. Okay, I will harvest all this on these sides with onions because I will plant my tomato seedlings. Here's my tomato seedlings. Yeah. Here. Right there. It's not that big, just like the first two, but it's fine. I can mix it in my dishes. I can mix it in my dishes. Okay, hi there. I'll just plant the 3 onions in a week is fine with me. So next week I will harvest more onions. Okay. So I will. So I get a lot of onions here in the other side there. I think this one. This one. I'll just cover it first with soil to make it more. Maybe in 1 week from now it will grow bigger. Yeah, I'm taking a video right now. Okay. Look at my onions. Huh? I harvested 3 onions. Look, George, look at this one. Okay. Okay. I show my onions to my husband. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.